How to fix transparency effect not working on Windows laptop. 1. Enable transparency effect. 2. Charge up your laptop. 3. Turn off the power saver mode. 4. Change the system power mode, choose the best performance. 5. Download the latest Windows update. 6. Update the graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Set 1 to enable transparency at computer /HKey_current_user /software/Microsoft/current version /current version /themes/personalize in registry editor. 8. Troubleshoot in clean. Reset Windows 11.